Hi everyone, this is Sam from Zoom, and I'm here to talk to you about using the H3-VR with your DSLR camera. The H3-VR allows you to capture lifelike 360 audio, which you can use to enhance your 2D productions. Use the H3-VR to capture immersive ambience or sound effects. These types of sounds can be captured with one of the Ambisonic modes, or recorded directly to the H3-VR as stereo or binaural files. Binaural audio creates a stereo file. This audio can be easily paired with video on your DSLR camera. If you record with the H3-VR in one of the Ambisonics formats, in post-production, you can use the Zoom Ambisonics Player to adjust the perspective of the audio and change between stereo, binaural, 5.1, and custom stereo renderings. You can mount the H3-VR on or nearby your camera. The H3-VR features a line out for connecting to your camera's audio input jack. This will either output a stereo or binaural signal. To select the output type, press the menu button, select Input Output, then select Ambisonic Monitoring. The H3-VR's line out can also output a tone, which you can use to calibrate the audio input level of the camera to help prevent noisy or distorted audio. You can find this option in the menu under Input Output. Select Line Out, then select Set with Tone. You can then adjust the audio input level of your camera and the line output level of the H3-VR to make sure that the tone is peaking at -6 dBFS on your camera. You can then use the audio recorded by the H3-VR to your camera for your production, or you can use the audio recorded to your camera to sync with the H3-VR's audio. This is especially useful if you want to use the Zoom Ambisonics Player to decode the audio to binaural or stereo, as you now have an easy way to sync this processed audio with your video. For more information on the H3-VR, please visit zoom-na.com.